Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add sounds to your NetBeans projects. Very simple procedure here. Let's get right to it. I've got a sample project here called Sound Sample, one frame inside of it with one button. My goal, when I press that button, show me the money, I want to hear the cha-ching. And so when I double click the button, I need the code in here that's going to do the job. Now before we do the code, let's just set up the two things that you'll need to make this work. You can grab these from the resource folder or from online, but one thing you need is you need a class called Sound Player. So this is in my resource folder. It's also in some of my other projects. So you need soundplayer.java, and you need to get that into your project source folder. So here's the file here. Once you've grabbed it, you can go right click, copy. I found my project called Sound Sample. I'll go in there. I go into the source folder and just paste it in there. So you'll see there's my sound sample Java, and here's that file I just pasted, soundplayer.java. Okay, it's now part of my project. Perfect. Now I'm going to go up one level here. So I'm back into my main project directory, and here's my WAV file. So I previously downloaded this. There's a million places online that you can download little WAV files from. This one just makes a little money sound. I'm going to drag and drop that right here. So that's where it has to be. Don't put that in the source folder. Okay, put it right here with build and manifest right in your main project folder, and it's going to be able to find it. Okay, now that you've done that, we are really ready to go with the code. You'll see here my sound player class is all loaded up and ready to go. I'll just peek inside quickly. Oops, let me take that out of there. If you're not working in a package, I'm just in the default package, make sure to take out the package. Okay, you don't need to say the package, or if you are in a package, make sure to write the right package name up there at the top so this works. Sound Player basically has one command called play, and you give it the file name. So this should be easy. So this is all I do. I just say, hey, Sound Player dot use your play method and play cha-ching.wave. Okay, and that's it. Let's give this a run, see if it works. And cha-ching, cha-ching. And that's it. That's how you get this working in your projects. Awesome.